They say that deep in the velvet forest, beyond where the maps fade and the trees begin to hum, live two tiger spirits. Not beasts, not quite. Something else, something stitched. Each has the face of someone you've met in a dream. Familiar, kind, a little strange. They're twins, perhaps, or mirrors of one another. One watches the morning, the other listens to dusk. On their chests are fragments of forgotten frescoes, hints of stories once told in silence. Some say they were born from tapestry dreams, leftovers from a royal pillow that belonged to no one. They danced through dreams like smoke, never fully there, but always leaving behind the feeling of velvet paws and distant music. The eye they travel with, it doesn't blink. It sees not with sight, but with memory. It remembers every time you doubted yourself and every time you didn't. And the Sacred Heart, that's their anchor, a relic of love that never asked to be repaid. It glows when you need it most. Together, they come to dwell in places where stories grow dusty, on shelves that ache for wonder, in corners that forget to glow. They don't speak. But if you sit quietly with them, sometimes you'll remember something you thought was lost, a promise you made to yourself as a child, a question you never dared to ask, or a name the wind used to call you long ago. If one of them ever turns slightly while hanging, don't be afraid. They're just adjusting to the light of your thoughts. Thank you for spending this time with me and with them. Your presence, even quiet and unseen, means more than you know. If their stories stayed with you or their faces made you smile, feel free to leave a trace, a comment, a gentle like, or a subscribe. So the next creature can find its way to the right dreamer. May your space be filled with soft tigers, seeing eyes, brave hearts, and the quiet magic of things handmade.